We're back at Dobby Garage. It's been a couple weeks since I've done one of these, and it was because I dropped my GoPro off the top of the lift last time I was here, and it cracked the back screen, and sent it in, and they fixed it up for me, which was nice. We have some big news. Miata Build Part 2 is not happening, and it's not happening because Dobby is financially strapped. And no, I'm kidding. He wants to do his Sid truck build, so he sold the Miata, sold the LS1 and T56 Transport. In the meantime, he's picked up these, what do you, 22 and a half?
Yeah, they're semi super singles.
Super singles for the Sid truck, which is going to be his GMC. What year is it? 19?
It's a 2000.
Is it really?
Yeah.
A 2000 GMC going on a Dodge pickup frame.
The Cummins.
For a Cummins, and we were gonna do a GTO cam install today, but it didn't show up, so I brought the Lexus through anyways. And this is to show you why I don't let people work on my cars. It's because I have a lifetime alignment through Firestone, and if you look here at this concentric nut, they clamped it down over the lip of this subframe mount. So I'm gonna try and bend that back and get this thing a little bit more aligned, getting some vibrations from the back right. So that's what we're gonna do today, just because we don't really have much else to do, but I figured I'd break the news of the Miata Build Part 2 not happening. So here we go, we got the bracket right there. It's bent to shit. We're gonna bend it apart and hopefully,
we can get a good hopefully,
yeah. Oh, there we go, oh, that's beautiful.
I would say go wider than it's supposed to be.
Yep, and then do that other side, and okay. So what's going to keep that from happening again?
Them not being monsters, but that's why I was saying that if they welded a piece of metal across it, like right there, it'd be almost be perfect, because it would keep it from pulling back in. Kind of laid back flat now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. See how they flattened them back out?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the little gouges in it.
No, I'm not worried about that. I'm just making sure it's.
We can sit here and tap it. You want to try to tap it a little more?
Yeah, I just want it as far over as possible, because dude, they'll find a way to.
Yeah. That's possible.
That looks way better though.
Yeah, I think we're close. We'll take, when we drop this back out, we'll get it where we want it. We'll smooth out the little burrs, kind of smooth this off.
Is it going to clear this? Yeah, it looks like we'll clear it. If you're thinking just put 2 bars.
I'm thinking we won't. Right. I think we won't come down much past like right there.
Well, Dobby, how about another thing too? Since the suspension is completely extended, we could go below this and not worry about it. Box the bottom.
The problem is if
how the hell is
it,
that going to come out?
You can't get it out.
Well, you got this end. It'd just be a pain in the ass.
It'd be a roll. Yeah, anytime you got to change it. It's up to you. Boxing the bottom.
I'm never planning on changing it.
Yeah, until your bushings wall are out.
Like I said, I mean, you could just, as long as there's enough clearance to scoot it out, I mean, you just take this off.
You want to box it right here on the bottom?
I think that would be a good, I think that would be worthwhile too.
Well, strongest will be doing the bottom. You're reinforcing it at the very bottom of where the metal can pull in.
Mm-hmm.
So, you want to do the bottom?
Yeah, I think that's what do you think? Bottom? It might look cleaner too.
I think so. Oh, come on.
Oh yeah, that's clean.
Oh, come on.
That should be strong enough. I mean, it just gotta. Oh man, you're folding it. That's pro.
Pro level stuff. Let's raise the car up, if you don't mind.
Yep. I love that smell. Oh yeah, baby.
That one little spot. Nah, I guess we're alright.
That looks, I mean, it just has to withstand Firestone.
Yeah.
You know? You happy with it?
I think it's good. Almost looks OE.
Looks really good. I'm so surprised they didn't do something like that from the factory.
I know, seriously. Now see, we'll check it next time, or every now and then if we ever take the tire back off, or you ever do, you'll look at the bottom of it and see if it's got kind of like a flat spot on it where the control arm or something was hit.
Well, it can't hit it.
It shouldn't be able to hit it.
It's impossible.
Because we're dropped all the way down.
Yes.
I'm just saying, but we'll just keep
take
an
a
eye
look.
on it. Yeah.
Interesting.
Because there's a lot of times when I've said stuff shouldn't be able to happen, and then it
happens anyways. Yeah, I am surprised that they didn't do something like that. It's just an oversight.
Probably that, or they just like, okay, no, that bolt's got a specific torque spec.
You're not
We're
gonna.
gonna stay in that.
Some
torque
kid's
spec.
not gonna be yanking on it.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a high performance vehicle. They probably didn't want to add weight, you know, where they didn't want it.
Absolutely. A couple ounces
World's-
here, a couple ounces there.
What was it? World's quickest, world's fastest production sedan?
That's what they said.
1997.
Yeah.
And then 1998.
Gentleman cars are limited?
And then 1998, the M5 came out. No, it. And
Oh,
this is I'm limited to 149.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 149 is unlimited.
I'm limited to 149. I could probably go 210, 220.
I ain't living that road.
Wind drive.
Oh baby. Oh baby, it's like a glove.
Like a glove.
You happy?
I'm happy with it. Let it dry and then we'll paint it.
Cool. So, this is the end of reinforcing the toe adjustment bracket. Welded on this probably 1/2 inch by 1.5, 2 inch piece here at the bottom. You can see that. We painted it, got it in there. Looks great. I tightened it up really good, and these edges didn't fold over, so it looks like this is gonna last for a long time.
Do you decontaminate the